Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ የኔ YouTube. I hope you guys are passing a great Ramadan. And I know it's not easy, but inshallah, Allah is gonna give us hasanah. So today, this video is gonna be about me telling you the answers of the riddles I did last time. And I'm gonna be also telling you the winners from first place to third place like the last time. So here is the clip of me telling the answers. First, I'm going to be telling you guys the answers in English, French, and then Amharic, and then I'm going to be announcing the winners. So the first question is, what can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? So the answer from this question is actually a promise. So I've noticed a lot of people in the comments saying that it's hearts. Yes, it could be a heart, but the actual answer is a promise. So I'm not going to be counting the answer heart as true. So the actual answer is promise. But when you guys commented heart, it was actually really smart. A lot of you guys got the answer right. So the third question is, what month of the year has 28 days? So the answer is all of them, because every month of the year has 28 days. Literally everyone in the comments said it was February. Yeah, but this was actually a trick question, because I understand that February has 28 days, exception 29 days. But all of them has 28 days, so the answer is not February, it's all of them. Fourth and last question is, what has legs but never walks? So this question has two answers. So the first answer is a table, and the second answer is a chair or an armchair. Everyone in the comments said that the answer of this question was a chair, but I will be accepting the both of them. አሁን የአማርኛ መልስ ጥያቄ እሰጣለሁ። መጀመሪያ ጥያቄ፣ የእኛ ቤት ባሪያ ንጉስ ፊት ቆማ ትሸናለች። መልሱ ቢ ጀበና ነው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ፣ ውሃ ፈሪ ገደል ደፋሪ። ኤ አርጋኖ፣ ቢ ጉንዳን፣ ሲ መኪና እና ዲ እንሽላሊት። መልሱ ቢ ጉንዳን ነው። አሁን ሶስተኛ ጥያቄ መልስ እሰጣለሁ። የአባቴ ጓሮ ደም በደም። ኤ ሰካራም፣ ቢ ቲማቲም፣ ሲ ቀይስር እና ዲ መጣጢሽ። መልሱ ሲ ቀይስር ነው። Maintenant, je vais dire les réponses des questions en français. Donc, la première question, c'est quel est le fruit que les poissons détestent? La réponse de cette question était la pêche. C'est une bonne blague parce que tu pêches des poissons et les poissons détestent ça. Donc, le fruit que les poissons détestent, c'est la pêche. Deuxième question en français, c'est quel est le comble de deux abeilles? Donc, quel est le comble de deux abeilles? La réponse est de partir en lune de miel, en parenthèse honeymoon. Donc, si vous ne savez pas, lune de miel, c'est quand deux personnes vont dans une place où ils peuvent s'amuser en couple. Donc, le comble de deux abeilles, c'est en partir de lune de miel. La troisième et la dernière question, c'est que disent deux chats amoureux l'un de l'autre? La réponse à cette question est on est fait l'un pour l'autre. C'est on est fait pour l'un pour l'autre. Donc, c'est comme aussi une bonne blague parce qu'on est fait l'un de l'autre. C'est comme si on était comme amoureux de l'un de l'autre. Donc, que disent deux chats en amour l'un de l'autre? C'est on est fait l'un pour l'autre. So now that I've told you guys the answer, I'm going to be continuing by announcing the winners. Ashanafi man እንደሆነ እነግራችኋለሁ. Maintenant, je vais vous dire les gagnants. First place is Zawdu Tafara. So He got all the answers right except for the fourth one and the French riddles. Well, congratulations on winning first place. Second place is Family First PHSA. Balafaw anding nga siya na finabarech and naahon hulatinga watach. She only got one answer wrong in English, which is the third question, and the French ones. Upon winning second place. Third place is Germanish Kasim. She got all the answers right except the second and third in English and the French ones. Good job, Germanish Kasim. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment in this video, and I hope you get to have a happy Ramadan, and congratulations to the 3 winners. Don't forget to comment some recommendations or some feedbacks, and I would also like to ask if you guys would like to have more of these kinds of videos, or you guys want different kinds of videos than this. If you want different kind of videos, then please comment down below. So, video tiyake inamet wada tutal. Comment, adurguling comment askamatulin. Thank you. Bye.